Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Home Speaker Gemini taking 30 seconds to respond. Latency fix. Fix 1. Restart your Google Home speaker. Unplug your Google Home or Nest speaker from the power outlet. Then wait for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Test it by saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" Or another simple command. Fix 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off or unplug your Wi-Fi router. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds and turn it back on. And wait until the internet connection is fully restored. Try using your Google Home speaker again. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your speaker. Run an internet speed test, and if the connection is slow or unstable, move the speaker closer to the router or restart your modem and router. Fix 4. Update the Google Home app. Open the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Then search for Google Home and tap Update if an update is available. Restart the app after the update is complete. Fix 5. Install the latest speaker firmware. Open the Google Home app and select your Google Home or Nest speaker. Then tap on Settings. Leave the speaker connected to Wi-Fi and powered on so it can automatically download and install the latest firmware update. Fix 6. Factory reset the speaker if needed. Locate the factory reset button on your Google Home or Nest speaker. Then press and hold it until you hear the reset confirmation. Wait for the reset to finish. Now open the Google Home app and set up the speaker again from scratch. Fix 7. Contact Google support. If your speaker still takes 30 seconds or longer to respond after completing all the troubleshooting steps, open the Google Home app and tap your profile picture. Now go to Help and Feedback. From there, select Contact Support. Describe the issue and mention that Gemini voice responses are consistently delayed by about 30 seconds. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.